So I joined up with Daily Dori, beautiful vlogger, for a thrift swap and style collaboration. And I'm gonna let you know, in this video, you're gonna see 5 thrifted pieces that were sent to me from Daily Dori that I had no input at all in what she was gonna send. You're gonna realize that when you're thrifting, you're gonna find pieces that don't really speak to you, but with just a little thinking outside the box and, you know, just having a little bit of the flair for fashion, you're going to be able to rock those pieces. So stick around to see what those pieces were and how I styled them. Hi guys, this is Ayana Pedersen, the Thrifting Diva, and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, thank you, welcome. On this channel we talk about thrifted fashion. I'm gonna start talking more about some DIY because I am all about looking amazing, having my house look amazing without spending a lot. And believe it, ladies and gentlemen, the thrift stores are where it's at. So stick around, subscribe if you want to continue to see my weekly videos, and of course hit the bell so you do know and get alerted when those videos are put out. For those coming back to my channel, thank you for checking me out and continuing on this journey with me. And let's jump into this video. I teamed up with the vlogger Daily Dori for this really awesome collaboration where we will send each other 5 thrifted pieces and that person will then style it. Now, the fun part of this collaboration is that, one, there really weren't any rules. So you basically could thrift anything. There wasn't really a dollar amount, just, you know, make it reasonable and thrift anything and send it to the person, and hopefully that they would love it and they would like it and that they would easily style it. So I sent my box, and at the end of the video I'm going to link her video of her revealing her items and how she styled those items, and I'm gonna leave all that information below. So definitely check her out on her YouTube channel and follow her on social media. She is amazing when it comes to fashion and style, and obviously knowing how to thrift well so that she can save money while looking fashionable always. Okay, so let's check out the first item that I received, and it was these cropped leg skinny pants and little polka dots in there, and they were from D Jeans, and I actually really loved it. Oh, we did give, at least the one thing we did give was our size and measurements so that the person had an idea of what we wore. So that was the only input that we did give on this collaboration. So these came right down to my ankle, and I really did like this one. Okay, the second item is this floral dress, short little mini dress. This fit perfectly, and this is from Old Navy, and it fit actually really perfectly. But the one thing that was wrong with it is that the zipper on one side, the zipper on only one side, was puckering up a little bit. And I'm not sure, you can't really see it when the dress is not on. I'm not sure why it was doing that. So that was the only thing I would say about this dress, but I did find a workaround because I really like the dress. It fit perfectly. It's the perfect summer dress. So in this case, I used a vest. So check that out.
You got to let it go. 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 I'm ready to let go, go. I'm ready to let go. You ready to let go, go. I'm ready to let go. I'm ready to let go, go. I'm ready to let go. I'm ready to let go. You got to let it go.
Okay, the third item I will say was the most difficult item for me because it is truly not something that I would pick up if I were thrifting or shopping. It's not necessarily my style because of the colors, but I did not, when I saw it, I was like, ooh, yeah, this is not a me at all. But you have to walk the talk. As a stylist, I tell my clients all the time when I pick up things and they flinch and say, that's not me. My biggest thing to them is always, hey, try it on and think outside the box and see if there's any way that you would come to love something like this. There are things that once you style it to your liking, it is something that you say, I would not have picked it up, but now that it's styled like this, I think I like it. And this third item is that item for me. So it's this shirt, and it has a lot going on there. So there's different patterns around. It's a long sleeve shirt, and so you can see different patterns. And then it's a color that I rarely ever wear, which is brown. So when I got this one, I definitely was like, what am I gonna do with this? But I just had to think outside the box, like, okay, the one thing is, how would I brighten this up? And I definitely like wearing it the way I ended up styling it. And it is something that I could see myself wearing again. So thank you, Dori, for pushing me out of my comfort zone, because I actually do like this shirt now. Why do I feel like I linger between the words to say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all, lose it all, lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, just let your body go, just let your body go and move to the rhythm. And the fourth item is this white shirt with some really awesome, just, you know, very plain shirt, but these piping around the edges definitely makes it step out and is bold, and I really like that. It's very versatile. I know I could wear this with pretty much every and anything, and it's just something that is easy one that I could use. So it fit perfectly, and I really like this a lot. So the last piece is this denim shirt here. It's a sleeveless shirt. It's also not a piece that I would have picked out myself, and not because I don't like denim, because I have at least 4 or 5 chambray shirts, but it's because of the ruffles that came down the middle. And so it was a little difficult at first. When I saw it, I was like, ooh, how am I gonna do this? But once again, it's just think outside the box. Chambray is a very versatile piece that every woman should have in her closet. So, you know, I just treated it the same way as a long sleeve chambray shirt. So those are the 5 pieces that I got from Miss Daily Dori. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm very appreciative of the pieces that you went out of your way to look for and to pick up for me. I hope that the pieces that you received are amazing to you. As I said, even though I was not at first very comfortable, I would say, with 1 or 2 of the pieces, you know, once I got over the, hey, this is not my style, and just went into it and said, hey, you know what, I could style this regardless, then I was able to put these looks together, and I actually really like them in the end. So not everything is always going to be something you would pick up right away because you know it's you. But there are times in your closet you can have a little few unique pieces in there that's not necessarily in your total comfort zone, but that you can still style and wear and look fabulous. So I want to hear from you. What is your favorite piece that Miss Adorable sent to the Thrifting Diva? I would love to hear from you in the comments. Go ahead and drop a line. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. I'm really excited to head over right now to watch Daily Dori's unboxing and reveal for this thrift swap in style collaboration. So head over to her channel and I'll leave all her information below. And of course, subscribe to her channel to see more of her various fashion hauls that she does and how she styles items. Of course, I would love for you to also hit the subscribe button below and subscribe to this channel. So thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.